Good day. This is Peter Knipp from Castlestone Management with comments on the U.S. market for the week ending May 9th. The momentum in U.S. stocks stalled this week despite a trade deal with the U.K. The three major averages ended the week lower as trade talks between China and the U.S. are set to begin this weekend. The Dow Jones posted a weekly decline of 0.2%, the S&P 500 fell 0.7%, and the Nasdaq Composite lost 0.6%. Treasury yields moved higher for the week with the 2, 10, and 30-year yields up for a second week in a row. At the conclusion of the Fed meeting on Wednesday, Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell signaled a more hawkish tone, pushing back against the notion of a preemptive rate cut in response to trade risks. The benchmark 10-year currently sits around 4.38%. The U.S. dollar index posted a third straight week of gains, up 0.6% over the 5 trading sessions. Gold recorded a weekly gain and remains near record high levels. Optimism surrounding potential U.S. trade agreements slowed the advance of the yellow metal. Oil prices increased by 4% this week in the wake of a trade agreement between the U.S. and the U.K. Despite positive news, caution persists as OPEC Plus plans to ramp up production, potentially weighing on prices. Additionally, tighter U.S. sanctions on Iran may restrict supply, injecting fresh uncertainty into the market. Thanks for listening and thanks for doing business with Castlestone. We'll talk to you soon.